In this video, we're going to be replacing windshield wiper blades on 2014 Mercedes W166 ML350. Got this kit from Amazon. I think it's about $25, and that should include 2 front wiper blades and 1 for the back. And as you can see, this one's completely done. To remove it, I'm gonna push right here in and lift it up. Just to show you here, you push this one in and lift it up. Again, everything is included. The smaller one goes to the passenger side. It's very simple, just put this one in and slide it down till it clicks. It clicked and we're good here. Obviously, don't forget to remove this plastic piece. Now driver's side, again push here, lift it up. Put this one in. Good. And remove this green piece. Now let's work on the rear window. Should be like this. Let's have to figure out how to remove this part. Pretty much pull this up. And it's out. Now pull this in like this. Push it in. And it's in. Even though it's pretty easy to install those, problem with this design is I think it's unique to Mercedes, so you don't have as much options when it comes to wiper blades. Like I said in the beginning, this one features all 3 of them for only $25 or so. We'll see how long they're gonna last. I'll provide update a year later or so to see if they're still good. In the description of this video, you can also ask questions, ask how they're doing in comment section. I'll reply as soon as I can. I'll leave Amazon affiliate links to those wiper blades. Thanks for watching. See you next time.